Hey everyone, this is going to be a complete walkthrough video of Facebook's new feature, which is the group mentoring feature. So a little bit of a quick background before I get into how it works, how to set it up, how to use it. I run a Facebook group called Make Money with Web Design, just over 6,500 members. Been running it for over a year and a half. Obviously, the name's pretty straightforward. It's all about web design, how to sell, how to get bigger clients, grow your web design business, etc. But this new feature came out this morning, which I really think is perfect for my group. So a common group issue that I have is, the group's always growing. You get new members in who aren't too sure how to use the group. They're not too sure how to get started with web design. And then you have these really experienced members in there who have these kind of high level conversations, threads going on where they're talking about more advanced subjects in detail. So I really think this feature is going to bridge the gap. It's going to connect people in my group who have the experience, they have the know-how, they know kind of the culture of my group, and they can help out these people joining to get going as fast as possible, help them out with any minor kind of issue or problem they might have, and get them having some initial success, also interacting in the group and sticking around and becoming a member. So to give a walkthrough of the features, basically this morning when I logged in, I had this pop up here that suggested I create a group mentoring feature. That's gone now because I've already set it up, but you're given initially 4 options. So the 4 options you're given that you can't go back and change are support and encouragement, other goals, career advancement, or early career guidance. So I selected other goals. I thought it was something I might be able to do again, or I could delete the first one and redo it, but it looks like you can't for now. So I would select this quite carefully. Luckily, I selected the one I think is best for my group, which was other goals. I just gave a quick walkthrough of what I'm trying to achieve. I think other goals is the best option for me there. For your own group, if you're setting this up, definitely have a little bit of a think about this first, because you can't go back and change it afterwards. So after you select this, the next option is to write up the description of what your mentoring program is going to be. So let me go in here and show you how you actually find this once you've set it up. So you go to More, Manage Group, and then down here you have Mentorship and Support, and you click in here. So everything else you can edit, you just can't edit that initial 4 option, but the questions and everything else, the group or the mentoring program description, you can change all that stuff. So you can see in here, I can get in here, I can edit the description of the program. One other thing that you can't edit is this. It says a total of 6 steps, 10 weeks, 1 hour a week. I have no option to switch this around. At least I didn't see it as I signed up. I don't believe it's there. This seems to be an automatic feature. This 6 steps thing, I have no idea what that refers to. I didn't set up anything got to do with 6 steps. So I'm going to keep an eye on this. I'll write a comment below this video, kind of an update if I get some more information on that feature. But for now, I just went ahead and set it up. So the next thing, let me just edit this first, the sign up questions. So you're able to have a questionnaire for mentors and mentorees, and you get the option to write up a description of, what it means to be a mentor. And then you're given the option to have 2 questions here for them to answer. On the answer side, I'll show you in a second, it's a maximum of 300 characters. So it's not a huge answer that you're looking for, quite short. And also your description as to what it is quite short as well. It's the same on the mentee side, where again, you have a description, what it means to be a mentee, what goals you're going to achieve, what the purpose of that is. And again, you can ask 2 questions. Before I get into the pairs, I just want to show you how this looks like on the application side. So when you come into the group, you would see something like this. You go ahead and sign up, and you're given this pop-up here. So 10 weeks, 1 hour a week. This is auto-populated. This isn't something that I created. And then as you go in, you can see the description, and you have the option to apply. This is on the mentor side. You got 2 questions to fill out, and then you can select up to 3 people that you're going to mentor. On the mentee side, pretty much the same, except, of course, you're only going to take 1 mentor, and this is showing that you're willing to commit. So once people have done this, you're given this option as a group admin or a group owner to link people together. So let me go back to this feature. This is the one pair that I've created already. I just launched this feature a few moments ago. But if someone else applied, they would come up here. I would select them, and then I go down to my available mentors, and I select who I think is going to be the best match for this person. So overall, I think this is a really, really interesting feature. Really, really cool. As a group owner, it's going to add a lot of value in that it's going to get people who join the group and who need some help. It's going to get them instantly connected to people who can get them going, draw them into the group, get them engaged, and of course, offer a lot of value, offer a lot of support and benefit to them as well. So I think this feature has a huge potential. I'm really interested to see how other groups put it into use. For me personally, this is how I wanted to use it, the best way for my group. But I think there's a lot of different things that other groups could use this for in kind of cool or different ways. So if you got any questions on this or any feedback or any thoughts, let me know below the video. I'll get back to you with my updates, and maybe other people using this feature are going to give you some advice as well. So thanks for watching, and see you.